Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for all things crypto. Today, we're answering a question from one of our viewers. How do I transfer USDT from my OKX wallet to Binance using my seed phrase? If you've been wondering how to securely transfer your crypto assets, this guide is for you. Let's break it down step by step. Understanding seed phrases and wallets graphics explaining what a seed phrase is and its importance. First things first, your seed phrase is essentially the key to your crypto wallet. It's a set of 12 or 24 words that lets you recover or access your wallet on different platforms. But here's an important note. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, and only use it on trusted wallet apps or platforms. In this process, we'll use your seed phrase to recover your wallet on Binance, so you can access and transfer your USDT. Step 1. Recover your wallet on Binance **** visuals showing the Binance app interface and the recovery process. To get started, you'll need the Binance app or access to Binance's website. Follow these steps. Keycap 1. Open the Binance app and navigate to the ***wallets section. Keycap 2. Tap on **import wallet * or a similar option. Keycap 3. Enter your seed phrase carefully. Remember, the seed phrase is case insensitive, but you must input it exactly as shown. Keycap 4. Once done, your OKX wallet will be imported into Binance. This process allows Binance to recognize the USDT in your wallet. Step 2. Transferring USDT to Binance's main wallet. Clips showing the transfer process on Binance's interface. Now that your wallet is imported, Keycap 1. Go to the wallet overview on Binance. Keycap 2. Locate the USDT balance in your imported wallet. Keycap 3. Initiate a transfer by tapping on withdraw or transfer. Keycap 4. Choose to transfer the USDT to your Binance main wallet. Make sure you double-check the amounts and any associated transaction fees. Alternative method, direct transfer via wallet address. Graphics showing how to copy and paste wallet addresses securely. Host. If you don't want to import your wallet, you can also transfer USDT directly. Keycap 1. Log in to your OKX wallet. Keycap 2. Copy your Binance USDT wallet address. You can find this in the deposit section on Binance. Keycap 3. Paste the address into OKX and initiate a send transaction. Keycap 4. Confirm the details and authorize the transfer. This method keeps your seed phrase entirely secure. Scene 5. Final tips for secure transfers. The host appears in a more serious tone, emphasizing security. Host. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to keep your crypto safe. Checkmark. Always double-check wallet addresses when transferring funds. A single mistake can result in losing your crypto. Checkmark. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Binance account for extra security. Checkmark. Avoid sharing your seed phrase, even with trusted individuals. And remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify everything twice. Closing scene. Movie camera. The host smiles, with a graphic displaying Binance, OKX, and USDT logos on the screen. Host. So, that's how you can transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance, step by step. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, hit that button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more crypto tips and tutorials. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!